Hello, welcome to another edition of Johnny Investing. Other people trying to sell you something, I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an under $5 biotech company that could help save lives and be worth billions. I'm talking about Abeona Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. Abeona Therapeutics. So I'm pretty excited about this company because they're doing gene therapy, and they're basically trying to use DNA and to make potential therapies to treat a lot of different diseases. Many of these disorders, particularly genetic diseases, are caused sometimes by just a single genetic defect, and definitely gene therapy is potentially a great way to treat some of these really awful diseases. They're basically delivering the correct copy of the DNA into a patient's cell. So let's look at the management team. You know how I always think leadership is a big deal. The PhD Vishwa Sudhar is the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer. I'm a big fan of biotechs that have outstanding leadership teams. I mean, he's got a lot of experience, 20 years experience, regulatory submission. He's also got experience in gene therapy. Before he had a big responsibility before he was CEO at Celgene, which is really successful. As you know, they're a big subsidiary of Bristol Myers Squibb. So let's go right to the pipeline. This is what I'm excited about, ABEO 012. So as you notice that they have a few drugs in clinical trials. ABEO 102 is for Sanfilippo syndrome. This is definitely, if you notice, a lot of these pipeline medications are for orphan drugs. Now, if you don't know what that means, but it's basically status given to certain drugs where, it's a promising treatment for either prevention or diagnosis, and orphan diseases are usually very, very rare. We're talking about affecting fewer than a few 100,000 people, and they all can sometimes be life-threatening. So this is wonderful that they're going after some really difficult and rare diseases. I think there's over 8,000 rare diseases known right now. So I'm really excited about this ABEO 102. We got to see, they're going to be reporting results soon once they get everybody enrolled. It could be a potentially promising therapy. Let's go to the stock price. So the stock price at the time of this video is $3.96. Now, I still like this company. I do think that, because of the economic condition, it could come down. This thing could come down. I'm looking to get in around $2. I know that's a 50% drop from where it is, but I still think this is a great company. I'm going to continue to monitor it. I think there's a ton of upside. I mean, this clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, they're doing gene therapy. And this ABEO 102, if this potential medication, hinders the breakdown of these toxic sugars, and it shows promising results in their primary endpoints, if they do really have an effect on these glycosaminoglycans that can really potentially accumulate in the person's body, this could have more indications. There are some studies that I've read where, there are some patients with autism-like symptoms, could have this buildup of these glycosaminoglycans, and this ABEO 102 could be a potential therapy. We don't know. We got to see the results. Let's see what happens. I still think this is a big time company. I'm going to be following it. I'm getting in. But I do think the economic time right now, it may come down more, and I'll be ready to pounce. That's all the time we have today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm definitely going to be looking to add shares. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like, please subscribe. It really helps the YouTube and Google algorithm. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.